Here's how to change bank account on Workday. First, go to Workday official website and log in to your Workday account. Then, open the Pay app from your dashboard. From there, click Payment Elections or View or Update Elections. Next, add your new bank account. Scroll down to the Account section and click Add. Enter your routing number, account number, bank name, and account type, such as checking or savings. Once you've entered the required details, click OK to save the account. Now, update your payment elections. Go back to the Payment Elections section and click Edit. Select the new bank account you want to use for your payroll deposits. Then choose how you want your paycheck distributed, such as your full balance for 100% of the paycheck or a specific dollar amount or percentage. Finally, click OK or Submit to save your changes. Your new bank account is now set up for future payroll deposits. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.